Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In case you don't know me or you are coming across my video for the first time, my name is Folashade Afolabi. On today's video, stay tuned as I will be teaching you details on how to tie this V-shaped round gele on yourself step by step. So if you are really interested in learning how to tie this type of gele, stay tuned and keep watching my video to the end.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you managed to watch my video to this part, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoy my video and I hope you are able to learn one or two things on my video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Click on the notification bell for new video updates. Then share my video with friends and family. Comment on the comment section below. If there's any video at all you want me to work on, please don't hesitate to write it down in the comment section below. I will respond to each of your messages. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.